Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a retro style tags in Canva. So first, you just need to open Canva and then just add your tags and change the font of the tags into Ganti. This one, use this retro style font, and you can just go back and change the color of the text. I'm going to use this color and then just duplicate the text 3 times and choose a darker color and adjust the text like this and duplicate again, choose another color and adjust the positions of the text. Okay, I'm adjusting it like this, and then you can just copy or duplicate it again, then choose another color. Okay, and next, this is optional, but you can change the last layer into a hollow effect. Okay, like this, and you are done. So this is how you can create a text with retro style in Canva. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.